Hey everyone, this 13-in-1 multi-tool just came in from the Pohaku store, and I'm going to unbox it and give you a close-up look at what it looks like. So this is a black one, and it's got some nice spring action to it. At the top there's a needle nose, a standard plier, and also a wire cutter. All the other tools are going to be on the same side. Contains a Phillips and slotted screwdriver. You got a couple files, bottle opener, a rope cutter, a serrated knife, and a multifunctional knife. And you also have a saw. It's got some nice weight to it. Looks really nice. It has a nylon sheath with a belt loop holder. I like it. I hope you do too, and have yourself a great day.